Hello, my name is Javier. I'm the Subsidies manager here at Sunhero, and for the past years, we've been building the strong relationship with the local administrations to understand better the permits and legalizations and subsidies management process for our clients. For the legalization process, the same applies for expats and for Spanish residents. Because on the legalization, what we're doing is registering the solar installation based on the electrical supply point of the house. When presenting the permits for a solar installation, if our client is an expat, the same process applies. Some local administrations may require a proof of residence and property of the house. Apart from that, the process is done the same way. For the subsidies that are currently available in Spain, which are in Catalonia, Andalusia, Balearic Islands, and Castilla-La Mancha, the only requirement is that the house that applies for the subsidy is your first and permanent residence in Spain. All residents that pay EV are eligible to claim that reduction. Bear in mind that not all local administrations have this reduction available, but our sales team in Sunhero will be able to assess you. And last, if you pay and declare your income tax here in Spain, you can be eligible to a deduction of up to 60% of the cost of your installation. For that, we will be guiding you and assessing you on how to claim it during the process of installation. I hope that this video has helped you understand better the process of permits, legalization, and subsidies for expats. If you have any doubts, leave it here in the comments, or you can also contact us. Thank you.